In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ignition coil on this Ford F-150. We're working on the 5.4 liter Triton V8 engine. Let's get started. Let's unplug the ignition coil, press on the locking tab over here, pull the connector up, and then the ignition coil has a little 7mm bolt right there. Take a socket with a long extension and remove it. It's very small, try not to drop it anywhere. Set it aside safely. And now you should be able to take the ignition coil, pull it straight up. There it is. There's a lot of debris here. I'm going to use a vacuum cleaner and vacuum all this up. If you have compressed air and you'd rather blow it out, go ahead and use a blow nozzle and get rid of all that debris. Take your ignition coil. I like to apply a little bit of silicone paste on the end of it. Not a lot. You don't want to prevent the connection from being made there, but a little bit will actually insulate it so that water doesn't build up in here, and also it'll prevent this rubber from getting stuck onto the spark plug years later when you have to replace it. Slide the ignition coil down, make sure it's facing the right way. Press it onto that spark plug, line it up with the bolt hole. I'm going to connect the electrical connector while I'm at it. And now we can put this bolt down. Start it into the threads here, make sure it threads in smoothly. Bottom it out. That's bottomed out right there. Give it another 1/8 of a turn at most, just make it nice and snug, and there you have it. At this point, you do the same exact procedure to the rest of the cylinders.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.